me like coffee in here, bro. Look at that. Look at that, bro. The coffee in here. $2,600. Yeah, dude. They better like.
Good afternoon and welcome to the channel, guys. Hope y'all are having a great day. Today's gonna be exciting for my buddy Luke. He got brand new wheels and tires for his Jeep. He ordered them about like last week, I think. So they're all mounted, balanced, and everything on his Jeep today. He dropped it off, I think, last night to get all installed, because I think there's gonna be some trimming have to do with it. Because I don't know how it's gonna look, honestly, because I think he did a 20-inch wheel, and I think he only did like a 31-inch tire, because it's a Grand Cherokee. He does have I think it's like a 3-inch lift all around on it, so it should clear height wise, but I'm just really worried about like turning radius, because that's a big tire for his wheel wells, because the wheel wells on those are kind of squared off. But so yeah, we'll see. It'll be interesting. But I'm about to go pick him up in about like an hour. I'm headed to my mom's right now to go do some stuff real quick, and so yeah, I'll just see you guys when I'm on the way back and pick him up. Also, I did get a new camera for the channel. I'm using the new GoPro Hero 8. I know they just came out with the 9, but they had a good deal, I guess, on this. It was like a bundle pack. It comes with like the headband. I mean, the charger's right here. It also came with the hold stand for it, but it also turns into a tripod, which is pretty cool. Let me see if I can get it real quick for you. I'm kind of driving with no hands with my knee, real. Yeah, right here, tripod. And it goes all the way down into the thing, so that's pretty cool. It just makes it so much easier for filming. Like, my hands are free right now. One hand is on the wheel, and I'm just relaxing the other. It's pretty nice. But yeah, I think the quality should be a lot better too, just being a really nice camera versus like the iPhone camera. With the GoPro though, now I can get like exterior clips of the truck. Like I have the suction cup for it, so I can like get exhaust clips for you, like going down the road and everything. So that should be cool. But just a lot more filming I can do with it now versus just using my phone. Like that, when I go four-wheeling, I can strap the the headband on and go put it on my helmet and go riding and get some footage with that. Alright, so I just left my mom's. I should be up near him in like 10 minutes. Pick him up in like 10 minutes. So yeah, once I get him, we'll be heading up there. It's another like 20 minutes up there. It should be really cool because I got like the holding stick for the GoPro, so I can like hold the GoPro outside and get some like nice rollers of his Jeep, and then I might hand it off to him and have him do the same. So get some good shots for you guys. So hopefully it should turn out all right. I'm kind of excited for it, honestly. I feel like on his Jeep though, it's gonna be a lot of wheel though, because he did a 20-inch wheel, like I said, and a 31-inch tire. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's definitely gonna be a lot of wheel versus the tire. It's gonna be a lot skinnier of a tire on it, and it might look good. I personally think it's gonna look good. He's kind of worried about it. He's been like, I was on Xbox with him last night, and he was just like, I hope I got the right thing, because if I didn't, that's a lot of money to just waste like that. And I don't know what like the return policy for it would be or anything, so it'll be interesting to say the least. That's freaking awesome. Alright, so I just pick up this man, right? And I'm like, what do they even look like? And he's like, I don't know. He's like, I don't even know.
I don't remember. I saw them when I picked them out. I was like, those are fresh. And I went with those.
Dude, like, I just I don't even remember what they look like. That's funny. Oh my god. So hopefully they look good at least. I mean,
I
like,
hope.
How much you spend for them?
$2,600.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I hope that.
Yeah. Me too.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, for my sanity's sake, I really hope they look good.
Oh my god, if they don't even look good, bro, that's gonna be so sad. That is gonna be so sad. I think it'll look good though. They're black though, right?
Yeah, they're black.
Okay. So yeah.
They're fuel. I want to say Mav.
You said the Mavericks?
Maybe.
I know they have Fuel has Mavericks. I thought about getting them for this truck, but no, but these had a 20-inch rim, right?
Yeah, 20 by 10 and 10.7 or something like that.
I gotcha.
custom offset.
I gotcha. So, I don't know. We'll see.
Hopefully.
We'll see, bro.
Hopefully.
We're moments away, bro. We're moments away. I don't even know what to say.
Neither do I.
It'll be interesting. It'll be interesting.
It will be.
Alright, bro. We're here. There it is! There it is!
Dude, that's the SRT8 one, though.
Bro, they got Supras here.
Is that the Supra?
Okay. Where's it at? Where's it at, bro?
Well, it's not in the shop, so it's gotta be out.
It's either over there or...
I guarantee it's over here.
I don't know, man. Where could it be? Where could it be? Where's that?
I don't know.
Oh, this doesn't really suck. Like,
Yeah.
where's it at? I don't want to curb my wheels. Right? Oh, let's go find it. There it is, dude. There it is.
Okay.
Yo.
Dude, that's kind of bad.
Yo.
That's kind of bad.
Okay, bro.
That's kind of bad.
Okay, bro. That looks so
That
good.
looks good as hell.
That looks so
that
good.
looks so good.
Dang, dude. Okay. That's like the perfect poke, too.
That is perfect.
Your wheel spacers didn't even do that when you got them.
No, they didn't.
Okay.
That looks good. I'm really happy with that.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah.
They got them all glossed up for you, dude.
Oh, hell yeah.
Those look so good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I gotta go pay for
Those look good.
it.
Those look really good. All right, well, time to go sign your freaking life away. Nah, that turned out really good. They really got complimentary like coffee in here, bro. Look at that. Look at that, bro. The coffee in here.
$2,600.
Yeah, dude. They better like. This has got to be like one of my like my favorite like car dealership. It's not like a car dealership and not like a normal one, because they modify like every car that they get in, like cars, trucks, anything. Like Jeep Gladiators they have here. They got the Moto Metal wheels on it. Actually, it's not terrible. I'm not a big fan of that, but it's not terrible. But this one right here, this thing's just, I love the wheels on these. Like, look at this. Those fuel rims just look awesome on this. Isn't that gray? But they have not just like trucks, they have like they have a bunch of stuff. Like, I got my truck spec'd out here, but I didn't go with them because they are really expensive. Yeah, just like they have all these Jeeps, trucks. Now go over to the front lot and I'll show you like all like the muscle cars, and like I think they have a Supra here, I think that we saw them coming in. But yeah, but like they really do these really nice. Just keeps going. It's just crazy. It's just in a downtown area. It's not even like it's like in a country part of the state, you know. It's in downtown Frederick. It's crazy. This 2020 High Country is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Like, that truck just stands out so much. It's such a big truck. Like, I'm 5'10", and that's just, it's ridiculous. I love, oh my gosh. Those are awesome. What are the Hostile Forged, that looks like? Yeah. Yep. Offset, they just, I don't know how they get away with selling vehicles like this, but they take the aggressive offset like they have. Yeah, and I get pulled over with -44, like. But C5. Okay. We got the C7 Grand Sport. What is it, a manual? No, it's not. It's automatic. Oh, I've never seen that before. Like the yellowish pinstripes with the white hood stripe. And here's a Supra. I've never seen a red Supra in person. I've only seen like silver or black ones. I've seen one white too, but they're BMWs. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. This Jeep though, that's nice. I'm not a big Jeep guy because like everybody does Jeeps and like it's just, you see it all the time. But favorite car right here. That's my favorite car of all time, the Corvette. Like alloy's coming back, I believe. Like I really think they're coming back. Like alloy and chrome. Never used to be like a big fan of it, but now I just really think it like pops on the car. Like if it had black wheels, yeah, it'd look really stealth, but the alloy just really pops on those. I really like that actually. That's what I was just saying. Like, I don't get, how do they sell that?
I don't know.
And I got pulled over with negative 44. It just, it doesn't make sense.
Dude, I want to come and
but dude, this high country.
When I get a truck, it's gonna be a
like, I'm like, this is eye height right here.
Dude, we're like 6 foot. Like,
dude,
that's insane.
yeah, get up next to it. Get up next to it real quick.
I'm like 6 foot.
Luke is literally
I'm
6 foot.
6'1".
It's just like, it doesn't
That's
make
insane.
sense. It's just nuts, dude. It's just, it's crazy. There he goes. They make it look so much better. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why did he go? I'm trying to take rollers for you, dude. Oh my god. Alright, so we lost him, but we met up back here, or we're supposed to meet up back here. I don't know where he is though. Where's he at? 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 Aha, there he is. Let's watch out there, bud. Hey, 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 hey. That's not his Jeep, what the f? Oh. Got him. Lickies.
What?
Hello.
What?
I said hello.
Hello. It's so
Dude, it looks good going down the road. Oh yeah. It's just a little V6.
Huh?
Just a little baby V6. It's all right.
It's alright. It's on its work.
Yes, sir. Please rev it again. Homie's pulling up the Burger King like it's a trap house. Like, oh my god. Yeah, he works at Burger King, by the way. I'm just following him because why not? Got some good rollers, I think. Let's see what he says.
Okay.
Dude. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Yep. Burger King type, bro.
So I can get my money back.
Yeah, it's $2,600. That'll do it to you, bro.
Want to see my bank account? There, $2. That's my
Bro, that's what's up. Hey. Nah, dude, it looks really good going down the road. Let me get the front angle. I want to see what the front's looking like other than those crusty headlights. Yeah.
I have new headlights that have taken 8 weeks so far to get here.
That's what I was just saying.
This is probably gonna go. I don't know, dude.
Yeah, bro.
And they're probably gonna be mad that I'm so late. Whatever.
It's alright. It's for wheels and tires, bro. It's car stuff.
Exactly.
It's alright.
That looks.
Dude, yeah. 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 Did you take a picture yet?
No, I will.
He's got to go back to work, but I think that's about gonna wrap this video up. But no, like I said, I'm gonna try to have him send me a picture of his old tires that are on there, because originally he bought like new tires thinking they were gonna be like something like this, but he didn't have rims to put them on. So I was like, I don't know what you're thinking, dude. But yeah, no, it just looks so much more menacing too. He's got a little bit of offset, just a little bit. Versus like, sorry about the dirty, but oh yeah, just a little bit. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Yeah, basically that was all we were doing today, was just going to get his new wheels and tires, which look awesome. Like I was not expecting them to look that good, but anyway, so that's gonna wrap this video up. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and have a great day.